What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. So you may be wondering, or you're just figuring out how to install or play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Well, in this case, there's just a few things that you need to know. So unfortunately, right now, if you want to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch, it's not yet possible. So there were hints that Roblox may be coming into Nintendo Switch, but right now with the latest news, there's no recent mention about it. So unfortunately, you won't be able to basically install it and use it on Nintendo Switch. Now, if you try visiting the actual eShop for Nintendo Switch here, you won't be able to see any results for Roblox, which is again really unfortunate here. But some users actually try using Roblox on the browser for Nintendo Switch. They've tried that, but it's not optimized. If you're going to ask me, it's going to be really a downer. It's not going to perform well because again, it's Roblox is not yet ported into Nintendo Switch. Especially there's been rumors about a second or another upgraded version of Nintendo Switch, or new generation for Nintendo Switch is actually coming. So in this case, currently there's no further announcements that Roblox is actually coming right now for Nintendo Switch. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So again, it's not yet possible for us to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch, but that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.